Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today. I have this box here, and this is from Lurella. Excuse me. I cannot show you the front because they have my address label on it, and I have to block it out like this just to show you that it's Lurella. Excuse me. I'm still sick. It's been like over 2 weeks. I think this weekend will be 3 weeks. It's ridiculous. It just won't leave. So this is their monthly beauty box. I just literally slit the tape, and this is what I see. Let's move that down so it doesn't fall. Right here, Lurella is $29.99 a month. Tax plus tax, free shipping in the United States. Get 5 to 7 Lurella beauty products. Sometimes they've been giving us more. They've also been giving us lesser value products. So right here. And this is the April subscription box, so it gives us a list of the items with prices. And the highest priced item on here is $8. So that's a little disappointing. You get a variety of Lurella brand products. They've been including merch, but I don't know what's going on with Lurella, honestly. So I'm just going to tilt this. Okay, this I'm kind of excited about. I have one of these, like them puffy headbands. I'm not really a headband wearer, but when you're doing your skincare, I like clip my hair back, pull back, whatever, and clip. But I do think that this would be so much easier. It's one of those like puffy ones. Let's see what this, and this is handmade. Well, that's exciting. That you see all over the place in different colors. You see other influencers wearing them, so I'm excited for that. That's kind of cute. I'm not gonna, like I thought, ooh, would I wear something like that? You know, to do my skincare. Makeup I can pretty much do with my hair, because I do my hair first. My makeup is usually the last thing I do. Everybody does their, routine in their own order. Oh, I'm sorry, the highest price item is the palette for $16. I didn't see that on the top. But the spa headband, which I think that's probably what that is, right, is $7. It's not bad. I know, like, Temu has them. We get a couple for probably a few bucks, but that one says handmade, so that's cute. I like that we're getting masks. So this is a honey moisturizing facial mask. Honey face mask, $3. That's about, the value of things like that. Here, and I'll open this. This is an eyelash curl and lift tool, $6. I'll share this. I kept one, I think. I think I gave all the other ones away. Open these packages. Let's see so I can show you. This one's really nice. Look how cute. Perfect. Pink. I like pink, but I'll share that because I don't need to. I don't generally curl my lashes. Probably once or twice a year. That's it. I don't need to. My lashes are very long. They do have a nice curl to them. Like sometimes if I'm just sitting there, like my eyelashes will hit my eyebrow, at the bottom of my eyebrows. They're very long. $6 for that. I'm just going over like miscellaneous things in here. Oh, this is a good item. This is a sharpener for all your liners, your lip liners and your eyeliners. $1.50. Let's open that up. I like these. I mean, I have one that's so dirty. I'm like, I'm going to throw it out instead of cleaning it. I used to clean them. But, so this is, their brand. And it has 2 slots for 2 different sizes. Looks like it opens. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. So it comes off so you can easily clean it. That one's interesting. Like, that's cute. Snaps back on. I like that. An affordable item. A lot of filler items. In my opinion. And yours, because we've done this. We've received these before. These are massive. Look at the size of these hair clips. You have to have long hair for these. $3. So I'll either share them with someone. I don't know who would use them. They're kind of big. I don't know too many people. My niece is the only one that has long hair. So let's see what this is. So this is, I'm going to put this right here. Cute little Lurella makeup case. Like a brush case, but you can, and it's, they could have given us some brushes with it, but cute. And I like these to even take away brushes when I go away. But I usually use my travel brush thing that I have from Temu. But this is good to put, like if you're just going away overnight, or something like that to put makeup in. You can put anything in there. I use bags like this and my IPSY bags for like phone chargers and cables for like laptop or just anything. You know, now I have to carry an iPhone 8 with me and my Samsung phone. So, you know, like put all those charging cables and stuff, you know, so that's nice. I like that. Let me see, where are you? Pink makeup bag, $3. Let's see, we have a set of lashes, and these are called Spin. I'm not going to open these because I don't want, if I'm not feeling well, I don't want to, I don't see them on the list. Oops. They're probably worth about $5, $7. I forget what their price of lashes are. The band is pretty thick. I don't know if you guys can see that. These are synthetic fibers, handmade, right there. Patches is up here with her mother. Here we have a mini glow, $8. Is this a light? This might be a light. I don't think it's makeup. So far, you know. Oh, it's one of those. We just got that. I actually have one over on my desk, so maybe I'll share this one. Or I'll put this somewhere else in my home. I could put it on my, I don't think they're magnetic. It's a selfie ring light, but I use it on my little wire rack thing that I have like some folders in, like for YouTube, for my IPSY PR, for my, like the current bills that I have to pay. I just keep, as they come in, I just drop them in the folder, and then when I get paid, I put, you know, pay all my bills. It's so much easier to leave it out than put them away, but they're away. They're not like in my, staring me in the face. So that, I might be able to use that somewhere else. Here we have a, cannot see today. I think this is liquid lipstick. What is that? $4. I'm trying to see prices. So this is Sweet Pea is the shade. Where's my blade? A lot of times their shades are deceiving. They're not accurate. I will admit that, especially with Lurella. I'm just trying to slit the plastic at the very top and not destroy the package if I can help it. In case I'm sharing it, then I can still put it back in the box. I don't know if I like that or not. I don't know. I mean, it's not bad. It is definitely a pink. Maybe a little bit more rose pink. So let me see. That's not horrible. Yeah, so you can see here. Is this too much of a red? No, that's not a bad shade. I mean, it's not a bad shade. I would definitely wear that. So that's not bad. So that's one true makeup item. I mean, the mask, that's really skincare. So that's the first makeup. Let's see, we have something here. And this is, and I'm not going to be opening these because they're sealed, Active Colors. And this is Tigress. And these are shadows, liners, whatever you want to use them. So that is pretty accurate. These are pretty accurate. These are little pots. So I'm not going to show you, open that because I don't want, if you know, taking the lid off and then getting everything everywhere. Let's see what we have here. This is probably another one. Active Colors, and this is Lemonade. Not a great shade. I mean, you could still use it for liner, shadow, all that fun stuff. Do they list them? No. Oh, 2 Active Colors, $7, so $3.50 each. Then we have a palette, and the palette is So Groovy. I think this is the item that was $16. Yes. Let's open this. Let's see what we have here. Let's put that inside. Very underwhelming for me. I don't like the fact that it's a lot of non-makeup. It's a beauty box, not a lifestyle box. I don't understand. You know, obviously same palette. I have no idea what this. Well, that's definitely pretty. I just don't think I would wear it, honestly. So I'll cover the mirror. A little bright for me. Pretty though. Right there. That's a good shot of that. you know what? If I put it in a giveaway and you only use a few shades, you didn't pay for it. So that's the way I look at it. If I give away a bright palette, if there's something here that you would use one or two of, or pass it on to somebody that you know that would, you know, maybe somebody younger that would like that. I'm just not into those shades, personally. I like the lipstick. You know, I like the makeup bag. You know, lashes are a no. This, I have short hair. That would never work. I like the sharpener. I will use the mask like that. The two active colors I'm sharing. This little selfie light is nice. I will keep that. I will share the eyelash curler because I won't use it. So like I said, I'll keep the lippy. And I think this is adorable, and I will keep that because I would use that to put my skincare on. So that is everything in the box for the month of April from Lurella. I would love to know your thoughts. You know, disappointing, you know, pretty palette, but I won't use it. I wish they would tone some of the brightness down in some of the palettes to make it more usable for more of us and not be so specific. I get the theme, so groovy. You know, I understand it. Now, a lot of things were pink, so like it would have been nice to get pink clips and a pink headband, just like they show here, instead of black, and then like this putty color or nude color. Like it would have been nice to get pink ones if that's what they're going for, an all pink design here. Then I wish they would have, you know, or white, I think would have been much better instead of black and the nude. My opinion once again, but I paid for the box, so I am entitled to my opinion. So that is the box, and I don't know the future of Lurella. Honestly, I don't know what's going on because they seem to be a lot more other products. I haven't really seen anything where they're like overly changing their box. I just don't always want all the filler items and the dollar items and the $2 items, $3 items, $1.50, $4. Like, you know, we used to get, you know, $40, $50 brush sets, nice ones, not the ones coming, you know, out of China that are the, you know, hollow super plastic handles. They used to be nice handles. So, you know, the quality of the shadows are still good. The quality of their boxes has definitely dropped. Like this does not have a high value whatsoever, and I paid $34 something with tax, $34 I think it was. So, you know, am I disappointed? Like 50-50. They really need to get back to where they were, or, you know, they're going to lose me as a customer. I don't know who else has them, but, you know, could be better. Like I said, some of these things are fine, but this is a $1 or $2 item on Temu. So where I would get 2 or 3 of them. I've seen people unbox them from Temu, where you get a double pack or a triple pack for $3 or $4. So just to get one and a black and like an all pink box. Excuse me. I don't understand that. So thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye for now.